Looking for a great alternative to spaghetti? Try spaghetti squash. Here's how you cook one. You cut it in half and then scoop out all these insides. Then put some olive oil inside. I did about a ½ tablespoon per side. Then sprinkle with a little bit of salt. And then a little pepper. Rub that in. Then put onto a parchment-lined baking tray. Then put it into a preheated oven that's at about 400 degrees for about 40 to 60 minutes. After about 30 minutes in the oven, I like to flip them over, test them out. I can see that it's still a little bit thick here. It's not quite as stringy as I want, so I'm gonna leave them turned over and put them in for about 10 more minutes. They're finally done. Here's how you fluff them up. Just take a fork and scrape along the sides like this. Then you can serve them with some marinara sauce or maybe just a little bit of butter. If you think the noodles are still too crunchy, put them back in the oven for a few minutes, but I think these are ready to eat. Yay!